Hello, this is Janusz. On the previous movie, I presented how to upload files to a nuBuilder with HTML HTTP request. Today, I would like to show how to upload picture and make automatic resize of the pictures, which will be stored on the server drive. Yeah. So here I have example of my database. So let's try to log and create one record. So record name pictures. Okay. Description maybe test for picture and pictures resize. Okay. I make save and we'll have some more objects where I can drop my pictures. Yeah. So for the pictures I downloaded from the network, some, let's say, high resolution pictures, which have bigger size. I will try to, to show it to you. Just one second. So you can see this pictures has 5 megabytes, 17 megabytes, 9 megabytes. And for example, we'll look at this one. So you will see that the resolution is 6720 times 4480. So this is something like around 30 megapixels. Yeah. Typical screen resolution like this one, yeah, it is 2 megapixels. So in many cases, we do not need to store such a high resolution pictures, Okay, so I will go back now to these pictures and let's try to make the first trial. So this picture has the size of 5 megabytes. Yeah, so I will drop it here. You see 5 megabytes. Okay, and I have it already here. So when you look just on the quality, this is original one, 5 megabytes. And let's try to have a look what is in the folder on my server. So I use Linux Debian server. So you can see this file has 200 kilo about, yeah. So this is this one. This one is 5 megabytes, so it's 20 or 30 times more. Yeah. And just looking on the screen, the quality I would say is equal. Yeah, of course, if you would do zooming, there would be completely different issue. Yeah, but for some review, the quality it's nice in both cases. Yeah. Okay. Here as well, I can make some description. For example, picture one. Okay. So here I need to save. Yeah. And if I would like, let's say now to drop more photos, okay, I can see information that max batch size is 30 megabytes, transfer cancelled. So always good to have some protection that people are not trying to drop 100 pictures or extremely huge pictures and not to block the system. Yeah. Okay. So and there was nothing transferred in that case here. So here you can see 36 megabytes. So if I will take a little bit less pictures, so now it's 20 megabytes. So with 20 megabytes, I can drop it here. Yeah? And you can see I can have them all here. Yeah. For that, additional, to this database, I can drop other files, for example, PDF. Okay, I'm dropping PDF. So I have PDF here, but it's not displayed here because this part I just did for photos only. Yeah. To make the resize, I am using a native PHP function image copy resampled. So you can find example, in the PHP documentation with some examples how to use it and so on. Yeah. In my database, I can as well make some storage of the HTML links. Yeah, so I'm putting the links, I'm putting description, can be any description. So let's take the name of the function. Okay, add, and you can see I can have photos. Yeah, I can have PDF files. I can have HTML document. Yeah, so it's quite easy to review. I can, for example, review it here like that. So now the question, how to do it. So I have this box which I described in my previous movie. So if I will go here, so finally, I am making some checking of the file sizes, some adjustment of the file names, and finally I use the function xsave to server PHP. This is function which I wrote and saved, on the in the folder, in the main folder of the nuBuilder. So now I will go to my terminal, my Debian terminal, and okay, we can check as well the uploaded file, the uploaded pictures. So you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, and 1 second, and here is this 6 element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, one PDF file and 5 pictures. Yeah, so for the pictures the sizes are like here, so it's 200, 300 kilo, 500 kilo max. Yeah, so it's typically 20-30 times less than original file, for example. Okay, and now let's open the function, which is making the resize. So I wrote the function which I call image resize, and here I can use image copy resampled. Yeah. So this image copy resampled is described here. Yeah. So you can use this function for the resize of the files. And of course the system is written this way that if I delete the file, so I'm just looking for my terminal. Okay, you can see these 5 files. For example, if I remove some of them, let's say I just going to remove 4 files. Yes, and go to my terminal. You can see 2 files only left. So this is this one and this one. Yeah, so it's not so difficult, to make coherent. I mean, what you have on your drive and as well in your database. Okay, some other, let's say, things you can do. For example, typically here I am making the resizing to 2 megapixels. But you can make any size of the picture you want. Yeah, so here, for example, I have other choices. So, for example, I can resize to 640 pixels. So if I will take my picture which has 16 megabytes, yeah, and we'll drop it here, and it's already here. It looks like that. Okay, it is 640 pixels. So this one, I'm able to find the size. Yes, this one has 62 kilobytes. Yeah, for example. Okay, I can as well. You can implement, for example, rotation of the picture. Just an example. So I am dropping here, and you see picture is rotated. Yes, I can maybe crop the picture, rotated picture, for example. Yeah. So once again, yeah. So now it's rotated and cropped somehow. Yeah. Another interesting function you can use, it is just to the usage of FPDF library. So with that you can transfer, for example, your pictures to PDF file. Yeah, so imagine that you want to send some pictures to your customers, to some other people, and you don't want to send 10 different pictures. You just want to send one PDF file, so you can use FPDF. And just as an example, I will take some pictures here. Yeah, for example, this one, dropping here. It's 32. Here maybe I don't have the limitation for the size of the picture. So let's check. Now the system is processing. So you can see different pictures. It was 5 megabytes, 3 megabytes, so on. So finally the PDF has 6.6 megabytes. If I open this and make it smaller, so you can see I am having one PDF, with different photo. Yeah. Okay. Of course, you can add logo if you want. Yeah. So we can generate another one with logo. Oops. Why I cannot? Something has blocked probably in this window. Okay, so I'm going to try. Okay, so with that you can just create PDF or just make resizing of the photos. This resizing practically can be very helpful because normally people want to upload everything to the server. And if everyone will be downloading pictures with 30 megapixels or whatever, your drive, because this is stored on the local drive, will be quickly, let's say, full. So just here you can put some limitation for the file size to make resizing and so on. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention.